Okay, here we have another question of LCM and HCF. This question is from June 2011, paper 1, question 14. The first part of this question is express 108 as a product of its prime factors. So we will find the factors of 108. Now, start with 108. So as this is an even number, so we will start with 2. So 2 5 times 10 and 2 4 times 8. Now again with the 2 2 times 4 and 2 7 times 14. Then 27 cannot come in a table of 2 because it's an odd number. So now we will start with 3. So in 3 table we have 3 9 times 27. Then 3 times 9 and 3 1 times 3. So here we have factors of 108 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3, or we can write 2 square into 3 cube. Okay, so the factors of 108 are 2 square into 3 cube. Now in the next part, here they are saying written as a product of their prime factors. Capital N has prime factors as 2 raised to the power p, 5 raised to the power q and 7 raised to the power r. And 500 has prime factors 2 square into 5 cube. The highest common factor of n and 500 is 2 square into 5 square. So these two numbers like n and 500 has highest common factor or HCF as 2 square into 5 square. And the least common multiple or LCM is 2 cube into 5 cube into 7. Now find P, Q and R. So first of all, if we check the highest common factor, okay, highest common factor. So 2 is having a square. Okay, so it means that with both value at least 2 square is common. Okay, if 500 is having 2 square, then n is also having at least 2 square. But if we check LCM, in LCM we are having 2 cube. So it means that one of the number must be having 2 cube. So the common we have taken from both numbers is 2 square. So if we consider this, like if here we are having 2 cube, so if we write an LCM, then in LCM we will write 2 cube, and in HCF we will write 2 square. Why? Because the highest common we can take as a power of 2 from both is 2 square. Okay, but in LCM as we are having 2 cube, so it means that one of the number must be having 2 cube. So it means if 500 is having 2 square, the other number must be having 2 cube. So it means that the value of P is 3. Now, if we move towards the next common factor, the next highest common factor is 5 square. So it means both numbers are having at least 5 square. And in LCM, we are having 5 cube. So it means that 5 square must be having both numbers and 5 cube must be having at least one number. So if 500 is having 5 cube, it means the other number must be having 5 square. So here if we take this as 5 square, so see according to HCF, okay, 5 square is common. So yes, 5 square we can take 5 square common from both. Okay, and in LCM as we are having 5 cube, so 5 cube is present here. Okay, if we take here also 5 cube, if we consider that here we are having 5 cube as well, then see HCF must be having 5 cube then, not 5 square. Okay, because from both we can take 5 cube common then. So if we are having 5 square, so it means that the one of the number is having 5 square. So that's why in HCF we are having 5 square and in LCM we are having 5 cube, and 5 cube is present here in factors of 500. So it means the other number must be having 5 square. So it means the value of q is 2. Now the last factor is 7. Okay. In highest common factor, 7 is not present. It means that 7 is not common in both numbers. So yes, we can see that in 500 we are not having 7. We are having 7 only in a multiple or only in least common multiple of n and 500. Okay, and here as the 7 is having power 1, so it means that here we are having 7 raised to the power 1. So that's why in LCM we are having 7 raised to the power 1 only. So it means that the value of r is 1. Okay, so I am repeating that when we are taking the power of 2, the highest common factor is 2 square. So it means that one of the number must be having 2 square. Okay, and in LCM we are having 2 cube. So it means that one of the number must be having 2 cube. So definitely we will take 2 square common. If here we are having 2 cube, then we can take 2 square common from both. Okay, and in LCM we will write 2 cube. So the value of p is 3. Then for q, as we are having 5 square in HCF and 5 cube in LCM, so it means that one of the number is having 5 square and the other number must be having 5 cube. So as 500 is having 5 cube, then the other number must be having 5 square. So that's why in HCF we are having 5 square common. Similarly, when we talk about 7, 7 is having power 1 only in LCM. Okay, in HCF 7 is not present. It means 7 is not present in both of the number, and yes, we can see that 7 is not present in 500. Okay, 7 is present only in n. And here as the 7 power is 1, so it means definitely n factor 7 is having power 1. So that's why it is exactly coming in LCM. So it means that the value of r is 1. I hope you have understood this question. Thank you.